In this video, I will show you how to disassemble and reassemble the Recorder Plus. First, remove the head joint of the Recorder Plus. Next, you will remove the reward rings. I am using an eyeglass screwdriver to take them off. Next, you will need a dulled flathead screwdriver to separate the parts of the Recorder Plus. Firmly hold it where the head joint attaches. Use the flathead screwdriver to loosen the joints on either side of the body. Once you have loosened both sides, slide the screwdriver away from you in the joint, carefully separating the two halves of the body. It does take a bit of pressure, but always press away from you. The bottom part of the Recorder Plus will probably pop off in this process. Once you have separated one side of the body, next go down the joint on the other side. Once you get the two sides separated, lay the back on the table. Keep the bottom of the Recorder Plus nearby. To separate the inside from the front part, use your screwdriver and carefully wedge it in the openings you will see. A little twist will help separate the front part. Do this on both sides of the middle until the top pops off. Inside the top part of the Recorder Plus, you will see where the keys are attached by two little joints for each key. Each key has a thicker part and a thinner part. The thinner part is what attaches it inside the body. The thicker part goes on the outside. When reattaching the keys, make sure you line up the two dots and that they are firmly secured. Reattach the middle by making sure that you line up the keys and the thumb key is on the top. Simply press the middle into the front of the instrument and you will hear it click into place. It will click several times on each side. When realigning the back, make sure that the thumb rest is correctly aligned. Then place the top of the instrument with the bottom and press firmly into place. You will hear it click into place on both sides. To check that it is all set, check the seams on both sides of the instrument. If it looks good, you can reattach the bottom by pressing it firmly into place. Reattach the reward rings and then reattach the head joint. You have now reassembled your Recorder Plus.